When people think of a home, they picture permanent brick buildings. But for adventurers, the ultimate dream is a life on the move, without the hefty price tag of massive RVs. Fortunately, there's a clever alternative that cuts costs without sacrificing the thrill of nomadic living. In this video, we're diving into 10 spectacular mobile homes that don't require tools or construction crews. All you need is a little bit of air. The GentleTent Sky Loft offers a massive living space elevated safely on your vehicle's roof, measuring roughly 11 by 7 feet to comfortably sleep 5 to 6 people. Despite its large deployed footprint, it weighs around 109 pounds and packs down into a flat 66 by 58 by 6-inch bundle for easy transport. Pitching takes just 10 to 15 minutes using the integrated GT1 valve system and the included electric pump. It provides a rigid, elevated platform where the airframe, base, and outer fabric work as a single unified system, unfolding into a spacious layout that feels like a two-room suite. The pressurized airframe ensures structural integrity, while the heavy-duty drop-stitch base provides a solid, steady floor. Inside, a removable fabric divider easily splits the space into 2 separate rooms for added privacy. The setup is complete with oversized windows, built-in mosquito mesh, and a clear roof section acting as a panoramic skylight for stargazing and maximum ventilation.
The AlphaGo S6 reimagines mobile outdoor comfort by combining a rugged, towable trailer with a luxury living space that inflates in just 2 to 5 minutes. Engineered for rough terrains and highway speeds, the trailer features a responsive run-in braking system, heavy-duty suspension with shock absorbers, and an impressive 12 inches of ground clearance to prevent undercarriage scraping. Upon arrival, the compact trailer unfolds using a high-pressure inflatable air beam system to rapidly deploy the main cabin, an integrated front awning, and a private bathroom section. Inside, the premium layout comfortably accommodates 4 to 6 people, with 2 entirely private bedroom pods on either side. The central zone serves as a spacious lounge and dining hub that easily converts into a third double bed when needed. Complete with a wide, massive front entryway, this camper seamlessly blends indoor comfort with the great outdoors, keeping the living area remarkably bright, airy, and open.
The WiseTiger inflatable tent redefines outdoor living by balancing eco-friendly design, rugged reliability, and unmatched convenience. Setting up this cabin-style tent takes under 10 minutes. Just unroll the fabric, inflate the structural air beams with the provided pump, and anchor the corners, completely eliminating the hassle of confusing metal poles. It is perfect for family weekend getaways, luxury glamping, or a unique backyard staycation. Unlike restrictive, low-profile tents, its generous cabin shape with high vertical ceilings allows you to walk completely upright and stretch out comfortably. The expansive floor plan easily accommodates multiple sleeping pads, air mattresses, and gear. Additionally, excellent ventilation is guaranteed by 2 large doors and 6 strategically placed windows that promote strong cross breezes, keeping the interior fresh and comfortable even on warm nights. Looking like a floating house at night, the Sönmez Outdoor London Premium is a heavy-duty tent that smart modifications can transform into a rugged vehicle roof rack shelter. Engineered for true 4-season durability, it is supported by thick 5.9-inch inflatable PVC columns and features a completely waterproof, fire-resistant, and antibacterial PVC floor. This robust structure flawlessly survives extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. To combat severe weather, it includes fully taped seams, a heavy-duty waterproof ground sheet, an entryway rain cover, a front awning, and excellent UV resistance. Modern campers will appreciate the integrated electric hookup access, lantern hanging points, and an included digital air pump for effortless setup. For cold weather adventures, it even features a built-in fireproof stove jack that safely accommodates a 4.3-inch chimney pipe for a wood-burning stove inside. ACtent transforms electric vehicles into innovative makeshift cabins without the bulk of a traditional camper van. Specifically designed for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y and adaptable to the Model S or X depending on the hatch contour, it expands your cargo area into a spacious lounge that packs away neatly. It offers dual-mode versatility, functioning either as an attached tailgate extension or as a standalone campsite shelter. A standout advantage is its ability to share the car's climate control. Using a specialized airflow collector, the tent draws air directly from the vehicle's cabin to regulate temperature and eliminate humidity. Setup is quick with an intuitive pop-up design, complemented by structural poles, stability clips, heavy-duty hooks, ground stakes, a protective roof cover, and an internal fabric panel that attaches seamlessly to the trunk floor via secure Velcro strips.
While pitching a traditional tent means wrestling with metal poles, the TentTube changes the game using a patented flexible air beam structure that inflates in just 60 seconds. Designed for maximum simplicity, a single person can easily set it up by attaching a pump and letting the air columns pop the tent into shape. Tailored comfortably for 2 to 3 campers, the deployed tent offers a cozy footprint measuring 7 feet long, 5 feet wide, and 5 feet high, perfect for quick weekend getaways. Despite its rapid lightweight setup, it is engineered to withstand harsh elements, boasting a rugged fabric with 3,000 millimeters or 118 inches of water resistance and a stable structure that handles winds up to 33 miles per hour. Securing it requires a simple 4-stake anchoring system, while internal pockets keep small essentials organized. Packing up is just as effortless. Simply open the valves to deflate, let the frame collapse, and fold it away without any hardware to disassemble. The Evolution Dome redefines event hosting by replacing traditional construction with massive, high-performance inflatable structures. Setup is straightforward. The heavy-duty canvas is unfolded, and powerful fans rapidly push air through the frame. Built for harsh weather, it withstands winds up to 55 miles per hour, and if power fails, it remains pressurized for 45 minutes while a 110 decibel emergency alarm alerts the site. For perspective, the 26-foot model provides 398 square feet of interior space, with exterior dimensions of 26 feet wide and 13 feet high, featuring a massive entryway measuring 13.4 feet wide and 8.1 feet high. Given its commercial durability, the deflated structure packs into a 63 by 39 by 39-inch bundle, weighing around 661 pounds, requiring a vehicle for transport. Despite its scale, a 2-person crew needs just 1 hour to position and anchor it, after which the actual inflation takes a mere 10 minutes. You can easily double your RV's living space by inflating a specialized exterior awning, completely eliminating the frustration of traditional metal frames. You simply slide the durable fabric along the vehicle's track and inflate the heavy-duty air beams to pop the structure into place. For a massive, fully enclosed extension, models like the Residence Air All Season and Residence Air Space offer sprawling widths from 17 to 23 feet with a 7-foot ceiling height. If you prefer a compact setup for quick stops, the Club Air lineup is a versatile option available in 8, 10, and 12-foot widths. For a classic look with modern materials, the Stuga series spans 15 to 23 feet wide and is crafted from premium, weather-resistant WeatherShield fabric. These premium inflatable rooms are packed with practical features, including mesh fly screens, zip-out wall panels, a protective draft skirt, integrated storm straps for high wind stability, and a heavy-duty storage back. Inflatable hangars represent a massive leap forward in large-scale architecture, providing expansive, heavy-duty structures rapidly without massive construction crews or heavy machinery. The backbone consists of modular pneumatic arches made from high-strength PVC-coated fabric that bolt together securely, with meticulously welded seams ensuring an airtight seal. A central air distribution system links all arches together, so the entire frame inflates as a single, unified structure, offering a stable environment with custom entryways and cargo gates once anchored. To maintain critical internal pressure automatically, an intelligent management unit constantly monitors and self-adjusts the frame between 2.9 and 4.4 psi, keeping it rock solid. The outer fabric shell is engineered to resist intense sunlight, heavy rain, frost, moisture, dust, and fungal growth, while meeting strict G1 fire safety standards. For maximum versatility, they can be fully customized with extra arches, insulated canvas, industrial ventilation, lighting rigs, personnel doors, or rapid lifting bay doors.